I leave the TV on, I'm done.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Cleaning Music Lady. My name is Emily and I'm an elementary school music teacher, but I also love it when things are clean and organized, so that's kind of why I started my channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel, and if you've been joining me along the way, welcome back. Either way, thank you so much for being here today. Today I'm tackling two big projects: cleaning out my fridge, and cleaning our vacuum, giving it a really nice deep clean, as well as our air purifier. So stick around and get motivated.
Someone better. Oh, hey, you. Oh, hey, you.
Taking a look at this fridge was definitely overwhelming. Just the amount of stuff was a lot, and then also just so disorganized, and I feel like our fridge doesn't have enough room, but I'm sure we all feel that way, so it's no excuse. It looks terrible right now, so really I was just trying to start by getting some things out of the fridge and putting things back in a more organized way. You'll see, like, I've got the yogurt Danimals. They're all labeled in the dairy bin at the bottom. That was like my first win. So sometimes you have to have something easy, a small win. So I had a ton of yogurts that I just picked up at Kroger, and I had an empty bin. So to make myself already feel better about the fridge chaos, I went ahead and put those in one bin, labeled it with my label maker, and voila, I feel better at least about the bottom left of my fridge. And you'll see me move stuff around a ton of times because I had no plan going into this. I just have to look at it and figure out where things are gonna go. So you'll see me take a ton of stuff out and then put it back and add labels, but stick with me, we'll get it done.
Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want, as long as we're together.
Kind of random, but I'm wondering if you all have tried the Starbucks coffee creamers at home. I really like them. I think they're better than just the normal. I get kind of tired of the ones at the grocery store, so what a nice refresh to have a different kind. In my fridge, I have the white chocolate mocha and a caramel macchiato flavor. I really like both. I'm pretty sure that they have several other flavors, but let me know in the comments if you've tried them or if you really like them.
Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you.
For the majority of the fridge clean, I'm using my eCloth Kitchen Dynamo sponge, and I absolutely love these for the kitchen and the bathroom. They're great. And my Dawn Power Wash, which is also amazing. I'm, for the most part, not taking out a whole bunch of pieces in the fridge, but I did take out like the little, I think it's intended for cans, but I use it for jelly, which is kind of funny. Either way, sometimes it's just easier to take out something if it's super dirty and take it to your sink to actually wash it. You notice that I didn't have to take out my shelves, and that's because I've got shelf liners and I usually clean those off maybe like twice a month or so. And that has really helped me not have to take out those glass shelves. And if you've had to take those out before, you know that they're super heavy and annoying. So I totally recommend getting some shelf liners for your fridge.
Let me love you. You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Not sure what I expected. To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it. I said it more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe.
We switched over to these juice containers, and we have cranberry, orange, and apple, and we absolutely love them. They are dishwasher safe. You can just take the lid off just like this. You can pour out however much you want. You can refill them, they're great. And I just store excess juice either in our pantry for like the cranberry and apple, or extra orange on top.
Myself when I met you. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. 'Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. You were making me so sure in a heartbeat. All of my doubts disappear.
One really great thing about me having to look through this whole fridge and clean it all out is figuring out the things that I tend to overbuy. And I think that's really going to help me at the grocery, just knowing not to overbuy some of these things that I have way too much of. And I absolutely hate having to throw away food. It makes my heart just sink. Like, I feel so wasteful, and I don't want to be that way. So I think this project was really good for me in a lot of ways, and I feel so good about how things are turning out.
Mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby.
So when I have a few too many eggs to fit in the container with the lid on, which is just realistic, it happens. I didn't realize that we had this many eggs still, or else I wouldn't have gotten some more. Then I just simply put the lid below here and put it in the fridge. It's no big deal, people. Sometimes you buy too many eggs, and that's okay.
I know it isn't logical. That's something that you do to me is chemical. I know it isn't logical. Something that you
So in case you're wondering, our bottom drawer, this is where we keep meats and deli things. I also keep our taco wraps in here so they last a little longer. I do have a little bit of a baking chocolate stash, but I like to keep it in here so that I know it won't get melted in the pantry if it were to get hot or something. So this is our meat drawer. In the crisper drawer, we've got a whole bunch of apples because we just went to the apple orchard and we all love apples here. I've also got some avocados, some onions, and carrots. So this is kind of like a produce station. And again, this is our cheese drawer. So here's what we have. I haven't exactly decided what will go here, but I'm sure something will. So at the top, we've got our water dispenser. Got this at the Container Store. I absolutely love it. This is our favorite milk, my coffee creamer, and Jonathan's egg beaters. He loves those. I've got his strawberry banana. I like this as well. And then here's some extra juice because I know I showed you guys where we keep our juices. So here's our produce, condiments, dairy, cheese, eggs, breakfast station, Jonathan's lunch stuff. And then again, here's our door. We've got our dairy, Jonathan's giant pickle collection. We like jelly, sauces, lots of condiments. I know it looks like a lot, but we honestly really do use every single one of these things because we went through and made sure that this was stuff we wanted to keep, but we really love everything here, so we're gonna keep it. I just wanted to show you all that we put some of our favorite soda in this extra spot. Jonathan knew right away what to do with the spot, so it's already taken. And remember guys, it's okay if things move around in your fridge. Stuff has to. Sometimes you buy a pizza, sometimes you get a cake and you have to make it work. So this is what we've got, and I'll keep you updated on how it stays. Hopefully it'll stay this way a good long while. Good luck on your fridge. I just wanted to show you all something super gross. So my husband and I both were wondering why our Dyson air purifier and fan just didn't seem to be working that well. Turns out it has been working, but we have not been really taking care of it. So we have got quite a mess, and I'm going to take my large Dyson and really try to get this cleaned up.
Hey, the one that I can live without. She's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Can live without. Time after time after time, I'm wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of.
Feeling so gross about my air purifier, I decided it is time to give my Dyson upright a nice cleaning. Now you do have to wait 24 hours between cleanings, but it's really simple. You just pop this top lever, and inside you will see the filter. You just gently take that filter out, and this can be washed. You can tell it's pretty dirty on the inside, as well as pretty dirty down in there. And now I'm gonna pop these two snaps to detach this part of the vacuum. You can see there is some stuff that is caked on there. We're just gonna give all that a really nice cleaning. Super nasty. To clean, I'm gonna use some of my Miss Meyer's dish soap.
It's way too easy to say stuff I never do. You know it's not how I feel, baby. So can we let this slide? Can't stand to see you cry.
So you literally see on here that there is a water faucet. So Dyson just recommends taking some gentle soap and literally using water in your hands to just squeeze it and work the soap through it.
You got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know you'll do right by me. I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby.
This is pretty nice and rinsed now. A lot more white than it was. I'm going to give it just a few more rinses and then move on to spot cleaning the main part of the vacuum. I'm just going to let that dry for at least 24 hours. Yes, I promise that I will sanitize my dish drain tomorrow when everything is clean.
Please don't walk away. I love you and you got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know we got this. A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you